Today we're going to be talking about the line plot and what it shows and the information that it can give you. So the line plot shows the prices of sweaters in a store. Describe the data. The data includes measures of center and variability. So center means mean, median, mode. That is what describes center. And variability is how the numbers vary from one to the other. So for instance, you can do the Q1, Q3, IQR, and that really helps understand it. So let's begin. Since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of data here, we're going to put that there are 10 prices represented because this is sweater and the prices of the sweater. Now it asks us to find the mean. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to punch in the calculator. 25, there's 4 of them. There's 2 of the 30. I'm not going to show you how to do all this because honestly, you guys have done this so many times already that I should not have to show you how to do this. But I'm punching it in here. There's 2 30s. There's 2 40s. There's 1 45 and there's 1 65. And if we divide that by 10, we are going to get, the answer is 35. So I'm going to write that in. I know you all know how to do the mean. We've done this so many times already. Of course, you add them all up, divide by 10. Now the median. So there are 10 numbers. So if you're going from the back, boop, 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 boop. There is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 2 middlemost numbers. Those 2 middlemost numbers, well, that's easy because you know that you have to add them up and divide by 2, and 30 plus 30 divided by 2 is 30. You could also write it all out. Some people prefer to write it all out, and then you know how you go towards the middle. You can do that as well. The mode, well, that's easy. It's the one that has the most X's, and that is 25. Boom, we're not at the Q1 already. So the Q1 would be and this is where some people might go, nope, I need to write this out because it is too hard to see it any other way. As a matter of fact, I might just be doing that as well. Here, let me just, because I know a lot of you guys are going to go, how am I supposed to understand this if I don't see it written out? So let me go ahead and just put it in here. We're going to go ahead and put 25. And 30. And 40. Whoops, I see it. Don't even tell me. I already know. Then 45. Then 65. I think it's kind of hard to do it any other way. But then actually visualizing it. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 4. And we already said the median was 30 when you add it all up. Boop. That looks horrible. I apologize. Okay, once you do that, then you need to find, I'm going to do a different color, the Q1. So, boom, boom, Q1. Sorry guys, it went cuckoo-loo-coo. So that is your Q1. It's 25. And let's go to Q3. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. Q3 is 40. Q3. Do you notice that when I broke it apart, I still use this 30 as part of this data set and this 30 as part of the data set. When I put the median as 30, I wrote it up here and those numbers still were used. Okay? There's my Q3, my Q1, so I'm going to put 25. I'm going to put 40. And now all we simply do is subtract 40 minus 25 to find the IQR. And the IQR is 15. Okay, boom. So now, what am I going to use? Well, will I use this for the center? Am I going to use mean, median, or mode to describe the data? There happens to be an outlier right here. There is an outlier. Because there's an outlier, that means I'm going to be using the median. I don't want to include and add that up. So I'm going to put median. Because there is an outlier. And the outlier is 65. Okay, that's why I would use an outlier. $65 is my outlier. And that is it.